article is a word that comes before no role is specific or relative. There are two kinds of articles: definite article and indefinite article. Definite article is the indefinite article are a and an. The article a is used before a singular noun that starts with a consonant sound. Example: a ball, a book, a pencil. The article line is used before a noun that begins with a vowel sound. Example: an elephant, an egg, an ant. The definite article is used when the noun it modifies its specific